guys, Colonel Ninny here.
This series of video tutorials is designed for the brand new player to IL-2's Battle of Stalingrad. It's a very complex flight sim and there's a lot to learn. And to help you get there faster, check out my channel. I've got over 100 tutorials that will guide your progress. This is mission 6 and it doesn't end well. In mission 6 we are to fly a patrol over the Rhina area, where we fully expect to meet 262s. If you've flown with me for the last 5 missions, we don't need to fly this leg together. You can get to waypoint 6 in Shedi by yourself. So we'll start the video from waypoint 6. We'll be patrolling at 8,000 feet, so clouds and weather are not an issue. The patrol area is identified as the area around Rhina here, where there's the Rhina airfield, the Hofstein airfield on the other side. We have the canal to the east and the 2 big towns to the west. Our biggest concern with patrolling in this area is where our front lines are, and that is about 100 kilometers, which means 100 kilometers of unfriendly territory. So if we're damaged, we've got to baby this airplane all the way back to the friendly lines. So from the Sea Dragons campaign, you'll remember that on these long legs, we can speed time up here to get to the target or to the patrol area by hitting the right bracket button. You can see our speed increase on the left-hand side there above the heading. Twice, 4 times, 8 times. This means you're covering an awful lot of ground, but it's good until you get to a combat area. And it's best to do it while you're in auto level, and to come out of it, it's the left-hand bracket. Should be 4 minutes en route to our patrol area. A couple of rivers, we should be able to find Rhina airfield very easily. You'll notice that train down there behind us. We may come back and visit him on the way home. And Rhina airfield is there at 10 o'clock-ish. And that's our patrol area right by Rhina. Okay, heads on a swivel, boys. These 262s come out of the sun pretty damn quick. Pilot orders, attack nearest air target, F2. This patrol area is usually done in a racetrack pattern. So we're going to come to the left around a 270, fly for a while, and then turn left again to 090, and then back again. And we'll just keep doing this in our patrol area. Now you'll notice there are aircraft down on the ground, so I think we'll attack those first. So I'll tell my guys to attack the ground targets. You recall we had problems with overspeeding here and not being able to pull out, so I'm going to pull the power back. I'm going to try and catch both these guys as they take off. Watching my speed very carefully. Watching our 6.
To the northwest. Range half mile. Out.
Hopefully I can get both of them in the same run.
Charlie 2, engaging fighter to the north, high, range, half mile, out, Neskin 2.
I'm going to line them up and start firing early.
Charlie 4, engaging fighter, it's close, out.
Didn't get a chance to do that, and I want to get that 262 before he gets off the ground. What I did was come in from this direction to attack the 2 targets on the runway. No problem. It's what I did after that is the big problem. That's circling around and going over the top and the center of the airfield. This allows every anti-aircraft gun on the field to open up at me at the same time. I hit him. He's on fire, he's done, but I might be as well. Okay, on the deck, trying to get out of here. Let's see how that works out for me. There he goes there. If he can't make it back to the field, I get a kill. He is done. We know the 262 is going to be departing on this runway heading here. And if we come around this way and then turn in the climb and the tight turn, we lose all our energy. So a much better plan is going to be to come in, hit that ground target, and then fly across the field at low level, maintaining our energy until we're out of flak range, and come around and hit the 262 from the side. So an obvious fail. We'll come up with a better tactic in mission 6.5 so that we can succeed. The beauty of this game is that even in scripted missions, the outcomes will always be different. Thanks for watching, guys. Join me for 6.5.
As always, if you've enjoyed this video, found it helpful, please like it or subscribe. Or if there's another topic you'd like me to cover, please leave a comment. Thank you, guys.